Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you and tell you what is view as option in Facebook, and I'm going to show you how you can use the view as features on Facebook. First, let me explain you the view as feature. Let's open the Facebook app in here. Basically, the view as feature on Facebook will allow you to see how your profile appears to other people, specifically those who are not your friends. And this will be helpful for you to check your privacy settings and ensuring that your profile is visible as you intended to. And through this video, I'm going to also show you how you can use the view as feature. You can just follow these steps right here. So you can just open your Facebook apps on your phone. Then you can go to your profile by clicking on this options right here. Go to your profile, and then you can access your profile settings. You can just sorry you can click on your profiles in here. Then you can click on the three dots icon next to your profiles in here. Click on this, and then in here you can just select the profile and tagging in here. You can here just see the view as options, so you can just tap on that. And here this content is on your profile. This content on your profile is public. You can see that this is how my Facebook profile will look like in public. You can see the post and also the profile info, so you can just this is what other people can see on my Facebook. If you want to modify again your privacy, you can just go back and then click on edit profile. So that's very much all. That's how you can use the view as features on Facebook. So this is how this will show you your profile as it will appear to a public viewer, especially those who are not your friends, and it will also allow you to check the visibility of your posts, photos, and other informations. And that's very much all. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful, so don't forget to click on the like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.